everyone, welcome back. So today let us see some concepts in probability. So while we discuss about probability, one term that we often hear is random experiment. Right? I hope you must have heard. I think I'm receiving a call. So can you guess from whom I am receiving the call? Well, let me take a guess. It could be my friends or family, or it could also be spam call. So I definitely cannot tell in advance from whom I have received the call until I see, yeah. So if there is any experiment whose outcome you cannot tell in advance is called random experiment. Even though you know the previous results, even though I know from whom I have received the call since morning, I definitely cannot tell from whom I have received now. For example, you have tossed a coin. You definitely cannot tell if you have got heads or a tail. Even though you know what you have got previously, even though you know your previous results, you definitely cannot tell now what are you going to get. So, this kind of experiments are called as random experiments. Now, let's see what is an elementary event. In simple words, I can say that all possible outcomes of random experiment, all the outcomes of the random experiment. For example, tossing a coin is our random example, and the event of getting a head and the event of getting a tail. Since getting head and tail are the possibilities, so event of getting a tail and a head are elementary events. Now, I have also given an example of I receiving a phone call, right? So, event of getting a spam call, event of getting a call from friends, event of getting call from family, all these possible outcomes are nothing but elementary events. Now, let's see what is mixed event. So now if I am expecting or if I see two different outcomes or two different elementary events, then it is mixed event. For example, I have a die which I am rolling it twice or thrice. First time I wanted to see if there is a chance of getting 3, and next time I am seeing if there is a chance of getting some even number. Okay, so I have two different elementary events here. First time I am seeing for getting 3, and second time I am seeing for getting an even number. So we are having two different elementary events. So having more elementary events or different elementary events together is called a mixed event.